Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Spotify and go to the Home tab to start exploring new music. Use the Search tab to type genres, moods, or specific terms like synthwave. Try combinations like indie folk 2024 or chill electronic for better results. Explore curated sections, such as new releases and trending for fresh songs. Tap any album or playlist and follow artists to save their future releases. Use the magnifying glass to find radio stations or songwriter credits when available. Bookmark tracks with the heart icon and create a temporary playlist for later listening. Open an artist's page and tap Go to Artist Radio to hear similar tracks. Use Song Radio to seed playlists with a single track and expand variety. Explore daily mixes that group songs by vibe and listening history. Follow Release Radar for artist drops and Discover Weekly for personalized picks. Note that Discover Weekly updates every 7 days with algorithmic recommendations, like tracks to train, Spotify signals, and improve future suggestions over time. Use the Queue and Save to Library buttons to organize songs quickly. Search user and editorial playlists to find concentrated collections of new music. Use filters like follower count and recent update date to judge playlist relevance. Follow curators, music blogs, and tastemakers to get consistent genre-specific recommendations. Create collaborative playlists and invite friends to contribute fresh tracks together. Connect social accounts and share songs to discover music your friends recently saved. Explore Spotify codes, radio links, and direct song sharing to speed discovery. Regularly clear cache and revisit less play.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.